First, select the line arch. Draw a line of 10 mm with a height of 58 mm. Then, take the second line arch and draw 38 mm at 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 90 degrees to 90 mm. Select the line arch and draw a line of 3.65 mm at 0 degrees on the top side. Then, after removing the dimension, take the second line commune and draw a line of 180 degrees at 3.65. Then draw a line of 3 mm at 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 4.3 mm at 180 degrees. Draw a line of 3.65 at 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 4.3 mm at 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 4.3 mm at 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 4.3 mm at 90 degrees. Draw all the lines in this way. Then select the arc command and draw a 45-degree arc. Then give the drawn sketch a finish sketch. Select the revolve command. Select the appropriate axis and rotate 360 degrees with the revolve command, and our part is ready. Now select the circle command in 2D. Draw a circle with a diameter of 33.8 mm. Then give the finish sketch. Extrude the circle with the extrude command. Then go to 2D sketch again and draw it as shown on the display by taking the XY plane. Then give the finish sketch. Then select the extrude command and extrude the sketch you drew. Keep the extrude size to 36 mm. That is, the display appears. The part will be ready. Then arrange the part as it appears on the display. Arrange the part as it appears on the display. Then select the fillet command and draw a fillet of 10 mm as shown in the display. Then draw a fillet of 10 mm on the left. Now select the X2 plane and select the circle command and draw 45 mm of the circle. Then click the finish sketch. Now select the extrude command. The circle we drew. It is visible in the display. Extrude it in that way. Now set the part as shown in the display. After that, go to the 2D sketch and select the project geometry command. Click on the extruded circle. Then give the finish sketch. Reduce the size of the circle we drew, as shown in the display. Follow that and create the part. Then set the part properly as shown on the display. And then select the mirror command. Then click on the X2 plane to mirror. After that, your part is ready as per the display. Thanks.